Just want to congratulate you on your purchase of your Atlas pallet jack. Today we just want to spend a little time to show you how to actually put the pallet jack together. It's really simple. Basically it's a matter of attaching the handle, but there is some guidance that we need on how to make that happen. So we got Rich here. He's going to help us do that. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to get when you get your pallet jack, typically they're disassembled in crates. So once if you see our former video, we'll show you how to remove it. Now that it's removed, we just want to walk you through the process of assembling the handle. So we have our handle here, and all the Atlas pallet jacks are going to have the manuals. So you'll have all your manual with instructions as well, maintenance information you'll need. So you have that. Then I'm going to just give Rich the handle, and he's just going to walk you through the process of how to take it from there. So we're going to change our angle of our lens, and we're going to walk you through the process.
Okay, and picking up where Jerry left off, I'm going to finish assembling the pallet truck. Like he said earlier, he unwrapped the handle. We have the handle right here. The tools you'll be needing is needle nose pliers and a hammer just in case it gets stuck. Take your needle nose, bend the clevis pin down, move the first pin out, slide your armature out. Now this part is crucial. When installing the handle, you must make sure that the chain linkage is on the outside of the circular wheel. If you have it on the inside, when you try to install it, it's going to jam inside. So always make sure this is outside, and then you just line up the holes. Slide it right back in. Take your clevis pin. Put it back in. Bend your one lip up so it can lock in place. And that part you're done. Then you want to push down, get the safety brake out, and your handle snaps right back up in place. Okay, after we have bent the clevis pin here, your handle's attached. Now the last thing you need to do is hook up the chain linkage. This is the part that I told you earlier was crucial, where you want to make sure this is over the silver. Now what you want to do is slowly feed it over the silver roller pin here and bend your handle down, because you're trying to feed this chain linkage into a very tiny hole on this side. Once you have that fed through, you pull out your chain linkage, you pull up your manual bar here, and you put it right in this fork. If you can see inside, there's a small little fork, you put it in there. Once you have it inside your fork, you spin the top nut to lock it, and she is assembled. And I just wanted to give you a close-up, zoomed-up look at the final portion because it was kind of hard and tricky to see. But what your goal is, if you can see in here, you're going to see this little fork here, the split. You want your chain linkage to go right inside of that split. Because what you'll see, as you pull up your manual, if you can see, it's pulling on the chain linkage. So which is the same thing when you're pulling up here. You see the chain being pulled? That's the whole goal of that chain sitting inside of that fork. So a lot of times when people come in, customers complain that they're lifting the handle and the pallet truck is not lifting. The first quick troubleshooting is to make sure this chain link is actually attached to the fork.